Let's talk about the Zojirushi NL-AAC10. This is more than just a rice cooker. It's a tool that can elevate your everyday cooking. What makes it special? Fuzzy logic technology. This means it adjusts the cooking time and temperature automatically. So whether it's white rice, brown rice, or even porridge, the results are always spot on. The controls are simple and easy to navigate. You've got options for sweet rice, mixed rice, and even a quick cooking mode. And with the steaming function, you can prepare veggies, fish, or dumplings alongside your rice, making it perfect for one-pot meals. This cooker is ideal for families or anyone who meal preps. It's compact, yet cooks enough for several servings. The Keep Warm feature ensures your rice stays fresh for hours. And the delay timer means you can set it and forget it until it's time to eat. But here's where it really shines. It's versatile. It's not just a rice cooker. You can use it to steam or even bake a cake. That's right. This little machine can do dessert too. Cleanup is a breeze with a nonstick pot and detachable lid that make washing quick and easy. Plus, it's built to last, so you're getting a reliable appliance that you can count on. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. Unlike cheaper models that can leave you with uneven or burnt rice, this one delivers consistent, high-quality results every single time. So, whether you're a rice enthusiast, someone who loves multifunctional tools, or just want a dependable kitchen upgrade, the Zojirushi NL-AAC10 is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description to grab yours today and enjoy better meals with less effort.